Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to connect Wix forms to Zapier and Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Brevo with Wix. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry, the Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and Wix from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. You'll also need to select Forms for Wix. If your Brevo account is not already connected to Zapier, you'll see a Sign In button here. Click it, and you'll need to enter your API key. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, navigate to SMTP and API, and select API Keys. In the top right corner of your account, you'll see a button labeled Generate a New API Key. Click on it, name your API key anything you like, then click Generate and copy the API key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, Connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now, repeat this process to log in to your Wix account. If you already have one, just sign in by entering your login details. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're now ready to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Thanks for watching.